PLDT stated its growth trajectory on the back of sustained consumer appetite for data. The company reported that its net income for the first half grew 4% to 12.1 billion pesos, as revenues for the period climbed 6% to 76.7 billion pesos. Second quarter earnings jumped 13% to 5.5 billion pesos. Revenues from the April to June period rose 2% to 42.6 billion pesos. PLDT says they have also spent 32.7 billion pesos up to June to improve their network.
We continue to step up the expansion of the reach of our fiber optic network and fiber to the home broadband network, as well as the coverage and capacity of our LTE and 3G networks to better serve the rising demand for data and video services. And we expect to allocate at least another 48 billion to widen PLDT's lead in network quality.
PLDT said data now accounts for 65% of the firm's total revenues, enough to offset the 7% decline in domestic voice, 14% drop in SMS, and 29% drop in international voice. PLDT Chair and CEO Manuel V. Pangilinan says he is confident that they will eventually hit their full-year income target of 26.4 billion pesos and eventually hit a consistent growth stride that will earn the approval of the market enough to reflect in a more robust share price.
Our conviction is that the best way to lift that share price is by way of performance. And performance takes a while to deliver, and the market usually demands consistency. My message to you is that for 2019, we're getting to be a bit more confident about our numbers. Our revenues will increase by double digit, we think by around at least 10%, including the international. Revenues will still show a decline of about 2.5 to 3 billion for the year. And then wireless is very strong. I think both home and enterprise will see an improvement in the revenues if we can continue to contain our costs.
Pangilinan also announced the appointment of Al Panlilio as the new president of Smart Communications. Panlilio will concurrently serve as PLDT's executive vice president and chief revenue officer.
Again, it will be a very focused organization. As I said, we will strengthen customer focus, not only from a product point of view, but really from a culture and perspective point of view for everybody in PLDT and Smart.
Panlilio says he has been given the marching order to regain leadership in the telco space, something they lost in 2015 when Globe overtook them.
Smart was the number one wireless business in this country. It wasn't when it was launched in 1993, but became to be number one, I think in 1995 or 1996, but it displaced PhilTech. And for quite a long time, it has maintained that position. But, it has lost its way. And we were pushed to the depths of its corporate life, for so many years. And that's why Globe did its digital pivot, took the pain earlier than we did, and so we are now paying a price for that.
PLDT stock ended the day at the top of the leaderboard, jumping by almost 7% at the close. Bim Santos, We Are One News.